Well, this is my camper van. There's a few small jobs to do, like trim and what have you. So other than that, it's basically complete to what I want it to be. I need to put another end bit on here, but got a double ring hob, 4 seats, with seat belts of course, table, a wardrobe and a bedroom. In the right hand corner there's going to be a toilet and shower, and the doors are going to be blanked off altogether, if not taken out. It's got a 6'4" bed, believe it or not. It's got lights above it, all on 12 volts, there's no 24 volts in at the moment, even though I do have an extension with plugs on the end of it, so I can use 24 volts if I want. I'm on the site. But that's it. The seats are on runners at the bottom and clamped, that unclick stuff, but they're clamped at floor, and then there's a wood floor built up round them. But that's my van. It's tested well next June, so